Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide anyone's Instagram posts or stories. So we're on Instagram. Let's go ahead and swipe right to go back to the home screen. So here's where we're going to see the list view of all our most recent or the featured posts for us. And if we go through here and we see something that we don't like, hang on, we gotta watch this real quick. We see something that we don't like. You know, if we follow someone and they keep posting stuff that we think is kind of annoying, we don't really want to see it anymore, but we want to keep following them. Here's what we can do. Let's just say we don't want to see FaZe Clan posts anymore. What we can do is find one of their posts, tap 3 lines in the top right above the post, and then we want to tap on mute. That's going to give us this pop-up with a couple options. It's going to say mute FaZe Clan. You can unmute them from their profile. Instagram won't let them know you muted them. And then you can mute their post, or you can mute their post and their story. So let's go ahead and tap mute posts. That'll instantly take them out of our feed here. They won't exist. We will never see their posts again in our feed here. If we do happen to want to see them, we can go to the explore page, go to the search and type in FaZe Clan, and go to their profile. And then what we can do is see the following button with the arrow on it. That's what we want to tap on, and this is going to give us all of our options for them. And we can tap on mute, and that's going to allow us to mute their posts, their stories, sort of toggle them on and off. So I'm just going to unmute them at this point and go back. Now if we went back to our home feed, we would be able to see FaZe Clan posts in here again. And you can really do that with any person. That's kind of an easier way to do it. You know, you can tap on them and then tap the following arrow and get all of your options there, and then toggle them on and off. And there you have it, how to mute people on Instagram so that you don't unfollow them, they aren't notified in any way, but you just don't see their posts anymore. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the Instagram playlist. There's hundreds of videos there with tutorials if you want to learn more. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard.